Looking for a door mirror replacement that fits your vehicle like it was made for it? This mirror assembly is engineered precisely to match the original part for your car's specific year, make, and model. You get the same mirror glass, housing, bracket, and technology. Everything designed to function exactly as your factory mirror did. It's a seamless fit that preserves your vehicle's look and performance. I've seen too many replacements that don't quite fit or require complicated installation. This one stands out because it's a complete assembly ready to install without any special tools or equipment. The ease of installation means you can get your car back on the road quickly, without extra trips to the mechanic. Plus, it's far more affordable than ordering directly from the dealership or original manufacturer, saving you money without sacrificing quality. To ensure you get the right fit, simply enter your vehicle's make, model, and trim level into the Amazon garage. This step guarantees compatibility and peace of mind before you buy. If you want a reliable, cost-effective mirror replacement that looks and works just like the original, this is worth a look. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference a perfect fit makes.